Okay, y'all, I'm not a rocket scientist. This is not that tough. It's in standby mode. I want the alarm to go off at 11:19. So I'm going to set it for 11:19. Yes, I want the CD, level 11. It's set. So it's going through its little thing and it's saying, yes, this is what we really want. So now we're going to see what happens. See, it's 11:19. The CD comes on and alarm 1 is flashing. Now let's just see what happens. It's coming on. I can hear it coming on. It goes like it's going to come on, right? I don't know why it says 4 or 401. And then it flips to the 11, which is the last number. I'm baffled.